biko n'ododo unu na-echa video no nyecha video kaba na arụpụtalụ m kpụtalụ na Asari Dokubo si ni dey kpụrụ that man because amara m ihe dịka some people are above the law na this country. Amam ko dịka a lot of some people are above arrest in this country. Ihe me na side ha kemgbe izuụka nke gara aga ka ọ dị gịnị onwe ike ọ bụrụ n'izuụka I don't know mana datin me a na-apụ news bịa break si na ndị Hausa na-anụ ọgụ gidigidi mana at the end of the day ọ bụrụ ndị gịnị ndị Hausa na ndị Hausa ịma na otu aka nkọwalụ unu si unu na-ata na ịbịa na n'ugwu Hausa enwere ndị bụ na ji Hausa mere their official language mana ha bụrụ ndị Hausa. Ha nwere tribes, people like Adamawa, Gombe, Kaduna, Jos, all those places. Ha nwere tribe, ha nwere asụsụ within them mana ha bụrụ ndị Hausa mana ha jizi Hausa mee their general language ka ha wee nwee ike na communicate within them. For example, figbo ya Enugu na Anambra ha na-asụ Igbo mana onye Enugu na-asụ Igbo nwe tribe iche onye nwe tribe so onye Enugu na-asụ onye Anambra da anọ so in order for them to understand themselves ha enwezie one language being Hausa so that onye a na-asụ onye a na-aghọta ihe ha na-ekwu and ha na-amụkwa ndị Hausa mana ha na-anọkọrịtakwa onwe ha so the thing wee na-eso okwe wee onye nke ọzọ wee mịa mma sụwa onye nke ọzọ the thing wee dazi ogudutu na ndị mmadụ epe ha attention asị nọ ndị Hausa na ndị Hausa na anụ ọgụ mana the reason why we with this video is that na onye made this thing si nọ ndị Hausa mana I'm trying to make you to understand ihe men ji wee get Asari Dokubo involved in this thing is that Asari Dokubo bịa bolia bụ ndị Igbo because ọ bụ na the gist involve ndị Igbo ọ nara enwe isi dodo this video mmadụ the guy narrate ya na English mana asị m ka m weta ya in order to clear the so Asari Dokubo ha ndị Igbo aka or else ndị Igbo should write petition against him kpụrụ ya because ọ na-achụ ihe ọbụla ya eme ka put ndị Igbo na pipeline all the time. Mmanụ dị na bunu wele n'ụzọba na nwere nke anyị n'unu na-azọ ha na ya ka anyị na-alụ onwe anyị. It's as simple as ABCD. Ka ọ dịkwanụ.
Wetin concern Igbo people with wetin happen for Imi market on Saturday, Valentine's Day? Nothing concern Igbo people now. No be Igbo man dem kpai, no be Igbo man even kpai person. The person wey kpai no be Igbo woman. So wetin concern Igbo? I no be Igbo boy o, but I no dey like injustice. I no dey like some kind rubbish and careless talk. Nothing concern Igbo people for Rivers State. Nothing concern Igbo people. Wetin concern Igbo man? No be Igbo man dem kpai wey go say okay na Igbo woman or Igbo man na kpai person or na Igbo woman na dem kpai. Nothing concern them o. They just dey neutral. So most my northern brothers, my Muslim brothers, muna no dey insert problem. Muna no dey find problem for where problem no dey. No be Igbo man wey kpai person. No na brother wey kpai Benue woman wey cause this problem. See, I want to call on you guys, the Arewa, Meti Allies breeders, the Arewa youth, the northern elders, muna educate na people wey dey for the south. Muna educate this Abuki them. Make them know how to live with people wey no be Muslim, wey no be northern people. Muna learn, make them learn how to relate with people, how to live with people. Carry something, carry your wheelbarrow, come out for my shed, and bring this problem. Short and simple, you know, see, they cover person market. You go park wheelbarrow for where person they sell market. The woman say, carry and come out. Instead of to carry your wheelbarrow, come out. Now, wetin really happened last week for me, according to information where they are available to us, they say now one Aboki man wey from the cold north. You know, say north they just like south here. We get south east, south Yoruba, Igbo, and Sasa. The middle belt dey for north. The main north dey. So they say they are booking from the cold north, not middle belt man. Carry wheelbarrow. Go back for where a trader, a woman, and the woman from Benue State. If you want to take and say na same Hausa, but now from middle belt, Benue is middle belt. Now the woman say, my comot the wheelbarrow, say you want sample market. Make the aboki comot the wheelbarrow. The aboki refuse. Instead, begin to quarrel the woman. And the woman don't like shift am, go to carry the wheelbarrow to she by herself. The aboki man no gree. He say na for there the aboki carry dagger, stab the woman for chest. They can't rush the woman to military hospital wey dey for GRA, Port Harcourt. So na for there the woman kpai. So with that annoyance, the Benue youth wey dey for close to Oil Mill and Eleme Junction come do riot like a protest, begin dey inside wetin happen. So why am I making this video? I'm seeing some people blaming the Igbos. Some of una say una go cause problem for Kano, make dem no forget say Nyamini dey for Kano, dey for north. No na. Wetin really happen? Who kpai person sef? Na your brother, a co-northern aboki, na him kpai Benue woman. Benue woman from somewhere. The woman get children, him get father, him get mother, him get relatives. I no support injustice. I no support jungle justice. But before you carry dagger and stab person to death, think twice. Na mama born am, him get brothers and sisters. Wetin make quarrel dey always result in just small quarrel? You don carry dagger because you get access to dagger. Then you wey no know wetin really happen, begin say you wan go cause problem for north. You wan go cause problem with the Igbos wey dey for north. Nothing concern Igbo for this matter. Nothing concern them. They are neutral. Nothing concern an Igbo man, an Igbo woman for this thing wey happen on Saturday, 14 February 2026 in Oil Mill, Eleme Junction, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Nothing concern Igbo man and Igbo woman. So now wetin me I get to talk, nothing concern them. Leave Igbo woman. The one wey happen for Igrita, the same aboki, come happen again. I beg, I tell God beg una, make this thing no repeat itself. Make the one wey happen for me be the last one. Make it no turn to regional war. Make it no turn to another thing.